Hey everyone, this is Howard from AORUS, and we are back with another unboxing video. Today we'll be checking out the latest Gigabyte 4K monitor, the M32UC. The M32UC is a premium 32-inch monitor featuring our Super Speed VA panel that delivers an ultra-fast response time of 1 millisecond MPRT and 2 milliseconds G2G. This monitor will be able to support 4K gameplay at up to 144Hz refresh and be overclockable to 160Hz with DisplayPort. This is a curved UHD display with 1500R curvature that provides the ultimate immersive gaming experience. Now let's see what's inside the box. The M32UC comes with a V-shaped stand that can be attached to the monitor arm via the hand screw. The arm has height and tilt adjustments and can be connected to the monitor by matching up the hooks to the indents on the back of the monitor. And for those of you who prefer to use your own monitor stand, of course, this monitor is Visa mountable as well. Inside, you'll find your warranty card, and there are a few different power cables that support various types of outlets. There's the usual HDMI cable, you have your DisplayPort cable right here, and your USB cable, which is used to enable OSD Sidekick software. Unlike AORUS monitors, there is no RGB on the back of Gigabyte monitors. Instead, you get a matte black finish with some edgy design elements. This monitor does support KVM, and you can switch between devices that are connected through the USB Type-C port by hitting this KVM switch back here. There are also 3-watt speakers, 2 of them, that can be found towards the bottom of the monitor as well. Before we continue, we noticed that most of you who watch these videos aren't subscribed yet, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest products that we're releasing. The M32UC is going to look and feel great when you're playing your latest AAA titles. This monitor has a beautiful panel featuring 8-bit color, 93% DCI-P3, and 123% sRGB that will bring out the colors in your favorite cutscenes. It also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, which reduces tearing and stuttering to provide you a more fluid gaming experience. The M32UC also features High Bitrate 3 for DisplayPort to allow for higher bandwidth to get the fastest refresh, full color depth, and HDR at the same time. If you do want to use a PS5 with the M32UC for some 4K gameplay, the built-in HDMI CEC technology allows for a greater level of communication between the devices. When turning on the console, the monitor will turn on simultaneously. Under the monitor, we have a whole suite of outputs. First, we have the earphone jack, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, which will support 144Hz at 4K resolution. Next, we have a singular DisplayPort 1.4, 1 USB Type-C for power delivery or KVM, 1 USB 3.2 Type-B upstream port, and 3 USB 3.2 Type-A downstream ports for your mouse and other peripherals. And finally, for users who want to fine-tune their settings, we have the OSD Sidekick software where you can fine-tune settings directly from your PC. You can also enable game assist settings such as black equalizer, picture-in-picture, create crosshairs, and much more from OSD Sidekick. There's also a customizable picture mode setting called Apply Picture Mode where you can change and set different color settings for each different display output that you have. All these features add up to make the M32UC a high-end gaming monitor. For those who really want to test the boundaries of 4K gaming, this monitor is going to be a great mainstay as the last mile of your gaming system. We hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the M32UC gaming monitor. If you're interested in picking one of these up, please be sure to check the link in the description below. If you like these type of unboxing videos and feel like you have learned something here, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below on what you want us to unbox next. If you want to check out our other unboxing videos, be sure to click on the link right here. And if you're interested in the M32U, which is the non-curved version of this monitor, you can click up here. We'll be back next Thursday for a brand new unboxing on the latest products that we're coming out with. Once again, guys, my name is Howard from AORUS, wishing you a happy building season. Team up and fight on.